How many times you seen these warnings on your dash? SCR malfunction, EGR problems, high emissions, DEF quality low, DPF full, engine in D rate. Sound familiar? Hell yeah, it does. These are eco-gifts from the manufacturers. In Drunklab, we craft cutting-edge tunes for trucks, buses, and construction equipment. All our products are built based on your needs by expert engineers with real-world experience. Let's take a quick look at our tuning solutions. VLOMINGO 62 is a DPF and SCR system emulator. It comes in gray and black editions, tested and tried in the toughest environments. The VLOMINGO 62 Gray is your go-to solution for Mack and Volvo USA trucks built in 2014 and later, as well as Volvo Penta and Volvo CE equipment from 2014 onward. The VLOMINGO 62 Black is your ultimate solution for 2010 to 2013 Volvo Group trucks, buses, and construction equipment. VLOMINGO and RAZDOLBOSCH are advanced tuning adapters for tuning through the Mochester App. RAZDOLBOSCH is built for tuning Bosch ECM 4.X systems on 2025 US spec Volvo and Mack trucks and buses. VLOMINGO, an adapter for trucks and construction equipment built after 2014. It provides advanced access to ECM memory. Mochester App is a powerful, easy-to-use, and free application built to simplify tuning for trucks, buses, and construction equipment. It provides fast and reliable access to advanced tuning workflows with full 24/7 technical support for Volvo Group vehicles. It's simple to use. Just download the app, log in, select an available tuning solution by VIN or chassis number, top up your wallet, and start the tuning process. With the Mochester app, you unlock the full potential of your commercial vehicle. With TeamViewer tuning solution, expert programming is delivered to your doorstep. Optimize Cummins, PACCAR, and Detroit Diesel engines remotely with just an internet connection. Select the desired time for your service to book an engineer to support you. Verify that your wallet balance is sufficient to pay for the selected service, and ensure your laptop, communication interface, required version of diagnostic software, and TeamViewer are installed and working properly. On our official store, dl.ge, you can easily find tuning services neatly organized by categories in our catalog. Everything is designed to be as simple as possible. Quickly locate the right solution, compare available options, and place your order in just a few steps. The clear catalog structure saves you time and helps you go straight to the service you need without unnecessary searching. If you can't find the right solution, you can always contact our technical support team. Our specialists will help you choose the appropriate service and answer any questions. Drunklab, like nobody else.